सबसे ज़्यादा पूछे जाने वाला सवाल जो मुझे है कि आपकी वीडियो कौन रिकॉर्ड करता है? हू हेल्प्स यू इन एवरीथिंग, मेकिंग थंबनेल्स टू अपलोडिंग वीडियोस, हु इज़ द पर्सन बिहाइंड इट? सो मैंने सोचा जो इंसान इतनी देर तक बिहाइंड द कैमरा था उसे सामने ले आएँ और उसे आप सबके साथ इंट्रोड्यूस किया जाए। ही इज़ नन अदर देन शुभम पुंज। वेलकम शुभम टू स्टोरीज मैटर।
Thank you, Indupunj, CEO Stories Matter. It's a great honor to be finally on screen with you guys. I've been behind the camera for 99 videos now, and in this video, I'm here to answer your questions.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थैंक्स अ लॉट टू हेल्प मी ऑल थ्रू आउट दिस जर्नी। और शुभम, आप अपने बारे में हमारे व्यूअर्स को बताओ, व्हाट हैव यू बीन डूइंग एंड व्हाट डू यू डू?
Okay, so just like my sister Shreya and my Jiju Akshay, I'm also a Farzi engineer, and by degree, I'm a computer science engineer. But since second year of my college, I knew I didn't want to do coding in an MNC for my career, and I discovered marketing, online marketing. From there, I did internships. Those internships turned into jobs. Then I worked in a startup, which was amazing. So right now, as of now, I own my own solo business, you can say. And for the last 1.5 years, we've been doing web design successfully. And what happened was that I worked for around 2 years in marketing while I was in college. And from there, my ex-employer, Sandeep Singh, he really inspired me with his story, and I was very curious about, how CEOs started and all that kind of stuff. And I quit my marketing job after around a total work of 1.5 to 2 years. And he then offered me a job in sales because he knew I was interested in that as well. And I got a really nice, starting package for having no sales experience. In that sales job, I learned a few tricks, and very quickly I was trying some things on the weekend as well. Can I close deals with businesses on my own for other personal projects? And that also started taking off, which was inspired from my employer only, the CEO of a company only. And after a few months, my weekend's income was competing with my job. So I thought, why not,
Make that as your main work.
yeah, it was just inspired from my boss and other people online as well.
I'm sure you can share some of your work with our viewers so that they know what exactly do you do.
तो मैं वेब डिज़ाइन में ऐसे घुसा कि when I was doing my marketing internships, so in one of them I learned how to make websites as well for my first internship in fact. Then that internship was a guest lecturer who came to our college to teach business, who I approached, and she offered me an internship on her own. I did there, learned web design as well, made her website as my first site, and my second website was indupunj.com. And that was three or 4 years ago.
Yeah, and I'm sure you can all view our first website, which is indupunj.com.
Yeah.
Thank you again. So he's been actually helping me a lot in almost all my work. Coming to this part of video, which is how do we record? How do we go about recording our videos? What are the equipments required? What are the things that you take care of while recording a video?
There are two aspects to it. First is how do you start making videos for your brand or your business, right? And second is the technical aspect, that what all do you need. So I think first we should take care of the psychological challenges. Every time someone comes over, or even on LinkedIn or online, they ask mom that आप ये करते कैसे हो, आपने शुरू कैसे किया, and which means how do you start, how did you I could never do it. And in fact, when I was working in marketing, मेरे सबसे बड़ा दुख एक ये होता था कि I could never convince any of the POs I worked with कि वो कैमरा पे आ जाएं. Because sometimes, in fact, most of the time, the CEO is the best salesman because they know the most and they care the most about the product or the business. But मैं इनको ला ही नहीं पाया कैमरा पे, and वो आज तक का एक regret है मेरा. I should have pushed even harder, right? Mama was in fact the first CEO who took my advice
seriously
and ran with it from the second day, even though she was scared, right?
Yes.
So
very scared. I had never ever recorded my even 1 second video before that. This was the first time. My first video on my channel is the first video I ever recorded as a story for myself.
Even after having worked for 21 years in schools,
I had never faced camera.
Yeah, and that's daunting for most people. Right?
Yes, it's very overwhelming because you feel how your expressions are going to be, how you are going to speak for 15 or 5, 10, whatever minutes you choose to speak.
तो क्या होता है कि अगर आप मेरे से in person पूछते हो कि how do I do this? So
how did you motivate me to do that?
Yeah, right. इसके लिए सिंपल सोल्यूशन है मेरे पास एक, which is just make 7 videos.
Yes,
right?
and I followed that.
And she followed it diligently. बिकॉज क्या था जैसे with other people who have suggested this, they will go and buy expensive lights और equipment और वीडियोग्राफर और बैकग्राउंड खरीद लेते हैं, एक अच्छा सा दीवार पर लगा देंगे, all that kind of stuff, but they won't actually start making the videos, right? So they'll first list down 50 ideas अपने Google Doc या notes में, Evernote में, but they won't start. So there are so many excuses which you might have, and the best solution is just make 7 videos. ये मैं बार बार बोलते रहूँगा जब तक तुम बना नहीं लोगे, बिकॉज इसका एक और एस्पेक्ट ये है दैट इफ़ यू स्टार्ट ओवर थिंकिंग, जैसे और सब करते ही हैं, जितने वो स्मार्ट होते हैं, दे ओवर थिंक इवन मोर, तुम उसी साइकिल में फंस जाओगे. एंड instead of giving you any other technical advice, what I would say is that even if you were to make bad videos, right, you already are smart enough that तुम बिल्कुल ही वाहियात तो नहीं बनाओगे, right? तुम मतलब मुंह धो के बैठोगे, लाइट ऑन करोगे, आसपास नॉइज कम कर दोगे, that's good enough to start. So just make 7 videos. That making 7 videos will also take care of camera shyness, because by that time आपने भी 7th बनाई होगी, 8th पे मम्मा इज लाइक अरे भाई लाइट लगा वीडियो बनाते हैं,
जल्दी करो.
हाँ, बिकॉज तब तक आपको आदत पड़ेंगे. सो दैट्स द साइकोलॉजिकल एस्पेक्ट. इफ यू फेस कैमरा शाइनेस, जस्ट मेक 7 videos.
एंड ऑल्सो एक चीज़ मैंने जो अपने साथ एज अ बीइंग अ साइकोलॉजिस्ट और बीइंग अ पर्सन हु रेगुलरली इज़ डूइंग वेबिनार्स एंड टेकिंग लेक्चर्स, जो एक थोड़ा सा एंग्जाइटी लेवल होता है तो वो तो रहना ज़रूरी है. दैट्स हाउ यू ऑलवेज चैलेंज योरसेल्फ कि हाँ मुझे अब वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करनी है. जस्ट बिफोर बिगिनिंग your session or your webinar or even video, एक heartbeat तेज होना is a very normal thing, and that should be taken as a कि okay I'm ready. That's like your preparedness to start any work. So go in a stride and start it. Also I never bothered much about कि feedback क्या आएगा, अगर ख़राब आ गया तो क्या होगा. मुझे I was doing it कि मुझे करना है because he proposed and we started, and that's how I was going about it. So coming to technical part of it, how do we go about recording it?
So you only need 4 things minimum, and they're good enough. And I will give it in the decreasing order of importance. So the first and most important is you need a mic, right? Or anything which gives you good audio. Even if you're recording with another phone somehow, you need good audio basically. And the reason is that your message, it is actually being communicated via audio, right? Even if abhi video black ho jaye, but the audio is good, you can still understand what I'm saying.
The message gets conveyed.
Yeah. But if you make the video mute, the audio mute, and you get very high quality DSLR camera also, you won't understand what I'm saying because the audio is not there. So your message is being communicated via audio and not the video. Audio should be clear, and that's why you should get a mic. And mics are very cheap also. Expensive ones go to 30,000 as well. But our mic is just I think 800 rupees, so you can get that. And it's a 20-meter wire, it's very long, right? Second is light, and some people just use sunlight, which is also fine, but we
record generally at night, so
because schedule match karna hota hai.
Yeah, plus ये stillness, because there is no disturbance from outside. तो ये सब चीज़ों का ध्यान रखना पड़ता है कि बीच में कुकर की सीटी ना बज जाए या डोर बेल ना बज जाए. So keeping all those aspects in mind, we generally record our videos at night.
Yeah.
So we have to use light.
Yeah, so light होगी तो भाई कोई issue नहीं है. So light also is pretty cheap now. You can get a good light for like 1100-1200 rupees, right? Third is camera, obviously. And even though मम्मा तो Apple नहीं खरीदती, but उनको Samsung से कोई loyalty है. But हम सबके पास Apple या बाकियों के पास. So if you can afford an iPhone, I would suggest go for an iPhone, because that comes with a very good camera by default. जो I don't think Samsung वगैरह में होता है. But
बाकी सबका है तो मुझे ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती.
Right, but if you can't afford an iPhone, or if you hate Apple like Mama, then you
I don't hate Apple.
Then you can go for OnePlus वगैरह as well. And basically a good phone camera is good enough. And even if you have a cheaper phone, to start it's good enough, right? BBK Mines ने तो मतलब करोड़ों रुपए बना लिए अपने मतलब छोटे से phone पे starting में. Okay, next and last. So we have
fourth one.
We covered mic, light, camera, and last is मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा.
The person herself, I think. अगर आपको रिकॉर्ड करने के लिए आप तैयार ही नहीं हुए तो.
I think you just need 3 things then. You just need
Fourth is the person, the willingness to record.
Yes, you need the willingness to record.
अगर मेरे अंदर ही will नहीं है, चाहे मैं बेस्ट ऑफ द गैजेट्स रख लूँ, DSLR रख लूँ या बेस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडियो क्रिएट कर लूँ, बट आई एम नॉट विलिंग टू डू इट एंड आई एम नॉट टू एप्रीहेंसिव अबाउट इट, तो आप नहीं कर सकते. सो फोर्थ इज द पर्सन himself or herself.
और मुझे असली चीज़ भी याद आ गई है. ठीक है, ऑल्दो मम्मा तो सीजनड है ना,
स्टोरी टेलर।
हाँ उन्होंने तो बचा लिया मुझे, बट असली में था स्टैंड, ठीक है, तो स्टैंड भी होना चाहिए एंड वो लाइट के साथ ही आता है, बट मैं फिर भी पॉइंट रख दिया, तो तुम लाइट पे और भी यूज़ करो, स्टैंड भी फ़ोन के लिए अच्छा है अगर हो तो।
चलो ठीक है, इसको बोलते हैं मम्मा कवर कर लेती है हर
हाँ
चीज़।
बट फिर हमें याद आ जाता है, हम थोड़े ठीक है फर्जी इंजीनियर। ओके सो बस ये 2-3 चीज़ें थी।
So I hope you are clear with what are the 4 things required and your will to do. And one tip is like when you make connection with your audience. Apart from audio, if you are like make it like a conversational thing, communication is with the audience and you connect very well. Look in, right into the camera. Don't get distracted. That makes a wonderful connection, and I think I do make that. So anything that you want to ask me?
I would ask you to tell people that just by making videos and nothing else, no ads, nothing, many things have happened, but what are a few things which you would like to tell?
Yes, first of all, I really want to thank that when you have a family as your support system, it really encourages you because you are always very confident. They don't have any other agenda, you know. जब आपको बाहर वाले सजेस्ट करते हैं तो हम हमेशा सोचते हैं कि ये क्यों कर रहा है, बट जब आपका बेटा खुद कर रहा है और ही इज़ इनटू मार्केटिंग तो मुझे कॉन्फिडेंस था. एंड major reason why we started was pandemic and all the schools, colleges had come to stand still and suddenly I thought I had no work. So he came up with, भाई अगर आपको अपना मार्केट में नाम रखना है and you want people to remember you and your work both, then start making videos. And this is how I started. Of course बहुत मुश्किल लग रहा था पहली बार, but then he said जो आप करते हो वही करना, आपको वीडियो में बोलना है बस, और कुछ नहीं करना, nothing special. So I mustered courage and I started. And now that we are doing our 99th video, and in fact I requested him कि come and let's share our journey together, because आज भी मुझे जो फ़ोन आता है या आ रहा है काम के लिए, इट्स ओनली थ्रू वीडियोज़. टुडे ऑल्सो अ फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन कॉल्ड मी फॉर 2-3 सेशंस नेक्स्ट वीक. शी सेड कि जब मैं आपकी स्टोरी सुनती हूँ तो लगता है सामने सुनाए तो और भी मज़ा आएगा, बिकॉज शी इज़ ओनली सीन मी थ्रू माई वीडियोज़. नेवर एवर इन माई sessions people can come, those people, those who are related or they are friends. Secondly, from schools to colleges to universities to latest was management colleges, and I have also done for India Today Media Institute. So all of it happened only through videos, no marketing other than that. People, I have been sharing my videos on YouTube plus on every social media, and they reached out to me. Then I have been interviewed many times by youngsters, by students. They get inspired from the messages, and we covered couple of genres like gender sensitization. So we try to make mixed bag so that my audience gets covered, like we can cover a wide range of audience. So this is, I think, has helped me and it is still helping me. And last and the most important thing, I have become a very confident speaker. अभी आप कैमरा ऑन करके बोलो कि शुरू हो जाए तो मेरे को घबराहट नहीं होती. So that is, I think, is all courtesy making these videos.
And I would like to add a few things, like you got international sessions also,
Yes,
international
yes.
work, then work by the government as well of India.
Yes, Ministry of Culture. We recorded even story for them because they had just seen my one of the videos and they requested if I could record one video on Independence Day. Of course, it has reached out to a very wide range of audience.
So this, we can go into the importance of making videos for your brand in some other video as well, but मतलब ये सब होता है वीडियोस बना के, बहुत कुछ होता है, राइट. एंड अगर तुम्हें स्टार्ट करना है एंड शाइनेस है तो मैंने सिंपल सा फॉर्मूला दीजिए. एनी क्वेश्चन यू हैव ना, एनीथिंग, बट शुभम ये कैसे, बट शुभम वो कैसे, अच्छा फिर ये कैसे क्या इंदू जी, इट्स जस्ट मेक 7 videos and then we'll talk. Okay?
Go for it.
Yeah, go for it.
बिकॉज अगर हम जितना ज़्यादा सोचेंगे, एक और चीज़ है कि जैसे हम सोचते हैं कि फ़ायदा क्या होगा या अगर लोगों को पसंद नहीं आया, वो सब थोड़े से दिन के लिए नहीं सोचना. फ़ायदा होता है, धीरे धीरे होगा, एकदम से इंस्टेंट नहीं होगा. इट इज़ नॉट लाइक अ लॉ वेयर एक्शन एंड रिएक्शन आर इक्वल एंड ऑपोजिट. ऑफ कोर्स इट विल टेक टाइम. और जैसे इसने मुझे कहा था पहले 100 वीडियो बना लो फिर बात करेंगे आपके काम
नहीं,
के बारे में.
वो उनके लिए जिनने 7 बना ली हैं, पहले आप 7 बना लो फिर 100 बना लेना.
नहीं, वो मैं अपने लिए कह रही हूँ ना कि मेरी 100 अगली वाली वीडियो 100 वीडियो होने वाली है. So that's where I'm very happy that at least I've achieved one milestone of making 100 videos, and I also feel proud of the fact कि भाई कहा था और मैंने करके दिखाया. I never leave something in between. So वो जो एक जज्बा है, जोश है करने का, वो बहुत सारा है. And I think we've done it. And thank you. Thanks a lot. And I hope you continue supporting me.
आंखों में आंसू अरे मैंने तो थैंक यू बोला ही नहीं
Oh.
अच्छा ओके सो आई वांटेड टू से दैट आई एम वेरी प्राउड कि यू हैव एक्चुअली मेड 100 वीडियोस नाउ नेक्स्ट इज द 100th वीडियो एंड बहुत कम लोग हैं बट बड़े बड़े लोग हैं जो नहीं बना पाते सो आई एम रियली प्राउड ऑफ यू
Thank you.
and I'm really glad whenever anyone subscribes, whenever we get new sessions because of the videos. थोड़ा मतलब it's a very proud moment.
Yes.
And ठीक है अब मैं आऊँगा next time 1000th वीडियो में
तब तक आओगे ही नहीं मतलब
पहले 1000 बनाओ फिर देखते हैं.
Thank you. Keep supporting us and if
Don't
you
forget to like, share,
and
subscribe.
subscribe.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.